Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google My Business for local SEO, full guide step by step clearly. Create a Google account if you don't already have one. Go to the Google My Business website. Click on the Manage Now button. Enter your business name in the search bar. If your business appears, select it. If not, click on Add Your Business. Choose a suitable business category that best describes your service. Provide the address of your business location. If you serve customers outside this location, check the I deliver goods and services to my customers box. Fill in the necessary details about your service area if applicable. Set a phone number and website URL for your business. Click on Finish to proceed with your entry. Verify your business listing through the verification options presented. Choose the verification method that works best for you. If selecting postcard verification, provide the required address information. Wait for the postcard to arrive, typically within a week. Retrieve the verification code from the postcard once received. Log in to your Google My Business account. Enter the verification code in the specified field. Submit the code to verify your business. Now, update your business profile with essential information. Add business hours, a brief description, and photos for visibility. Fill out any additional details like services and attributes. Review your entries and ensure all information is accurate. Publish your business listing for online visibility. Monitor your listing regularly for customer reviews and questions. Respond promptly to reviews and engage with your audience. Keep your information up to date to enhance local SEO. Share posts or updates through your Google My Business account to attract interest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.